The question was, how do I modify the text in my title block in Paperspace? And so the first thing that we want to do is when we finish our drawing, we're going to go over to our Paperspace tab, and you're going to want to move it and zoom in to wherever you want. And remember to lock down your viewport. And then you're going to go to Paperspace. It's really important that you're in Paperspace. And you'll know that you're in Paperspace because the little view cube will have disappeared and there are less options down here. And when in Paperspace, you should be able to hover over any of the text and it will become highlighted. And so double left clicking on it will allow you to change the field. So 13-09-20. Okay. And then just click off when you're finished. And that's it. All right. Hope this helps.